What's up, guys? Another day at it. I gotta go to my boy King's Tire because this tire is running flat and the other tire in the front's running flat. I don't know why. Yesterday night I put 30 psi in this and it seems like it's down to 0. I wanted to see how fast it was, the air was escaping, so I could see if I could just put air in it and drive it. Seems pretty fast, so I think it looks like it's down to 0 again, so I don't know what the fuck is going on. Yeah, down to 0. I'm gonna put air in it and go. I think I'm used to driving on the right side now. It's just like pretty easy, you know what I mean? And I don't know if the tires are holding air or not. The car's not really moving around. And I'm about to hop on the freeway, so. Hey, fuck me! LA roads suck, man. Let me tell you guys. You like that rev match? Gotta change these lips out because I'm rubbing like a motherfucker. Cleaning his windshield and all the water's going on me, you bastard. Do that before you hit the freeway. You're a fucking sack, dude. Fuck you. Fucking driving etiquette 101, dude. If you're gonna clean your fucking windows, do it before you drive so you don't fucking spray everybody behind you. What a piece of shit. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, so I want to get my lips. It'll stretch the tires out a little bit. Then I want to get this car in line and corner balanced. And then once all that's good, then I'm going to hop into the motor and do the turbo upgrade, make it sound a little bit better, change the exhaust a little bit more to my liking. But I want to wait till the downpipe's on and turbo before I make my judgment on how the car sounds, because right now I don't like the way it sounds. It sounds too restricted and high pitched, but it could be the titanium, and I have a stock downpipe, so I'm gonna reserve my judgment until that happens. But yeah, anyways, nothing more to see here. I'll hit you guys when I get to King's Tire. All right, guys, I'm here. Losing air as we speak. We're losing air as we speak. She's here. So we'll see what's gonna happen. This one, I know what the reason is, okay? This one for sure, there was a nail in it, brought it here, we patched it from the inside because that's the best way to do it. I'm not sure if it was patched 100% properly, but we're gonna try to figure that one. This one in the rear, no fucking clue. Hopefully it's something stupid and we'll try to figure it out. I got my plates now, so all the haters every time I go to, he's not even running plates. Fuck you. I got my plates now, so you can all suck my dick, whoever's talking shit. And I'm gonna start driving the car now. I just want the tires all good and we'll be good to go. But yeah, over here, King's Tire. Of course, you already know. Junior always hooks it up. Best alignment rack, lowest alignment rack. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
Was it leaking?
Yeah. This one had a nail in it, and then we patched it here, I think. No, I don't know where it was. It had a nail in it, and we patched it from the inside.
Okay.
And I think we should check it again because it's still leaking.
Bramble. Shee! Yee! Yee! Fuck!
I really would just want to polish the whole goddamn exhaust just so you could see it. Don't hate me, you guys. I always change a million things, but it is what it is. All right, so figured out what the problem was. The wheels are leaking. The seal from the inside is leaking, so they got to be resealed. You can tell it's leaking because you could just spray water on the bolt on the backside when there's air in it, and if it bubbles up, then you can tell it's leaking from the sealing, which is a very common problem. I think I rushed Ron to seal these quick or something, and then it just ended up, you know, maybe breaking the seal. However, so the way to fix it is to reseal them. I just don't see a point in resealing them since I'm gonna change the lips anyways. Then to change the lips, we gotta take the wheels apart, put it together, and then seal those. So at this point, as much as I hate to say it, it's probably best to just wait to get the new lips on and seal everything once and for all then. So yeah, I'll probably just do that. So I'm fucking back. Car made it, obviously, because it made it to the tire shop, but at least you know what the problem is. So bad news for me, I gotta wait till my new lips are done being polished and then bring it here, and whenever the fuck we want to work on it, I gotta wait. Good news for you guys is you don't have to wait, because once that happens, I'm just gonna put it in the same fucking vlog. So I'm gonna snap my fingers like this, and boom, the lips are gonna be here and you guys are gonna see. So see, fucking teleportation, motherfuckers. If I snap my fingers, you're gonna be gay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
And I'm gonna snap it back, you can be straight. 1, 2, 3. See? The snap works. But anyway, these are the lips. So you guys didn't have to wait for me to get them, but I had to wait. Now they're here. The fucking master beautician is gonna fucking, what are you gonna do? Put your dick in it or some shit? Yeah, he's gonna put his dick in it. We're gonna put it on the car, and then I'll show you guys. But again, thanks for tuning in on this episode. The next one, regarding the R34, we're gonna have the lips on, stretch tires, alignment, slam it even more, and just camber the fuck out of it. Hopefully it looks good. I think it will. So thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, much love. Like and subscribe if you can. It'll really help me out. Peace. Calvin, give us like a little peace sign.